is magic. I need that magic.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Diamondlady. And today we're going to show you how we make a delicious fruit salad. It always has a twist to it. Enjoy! Here are the ingredients we're going to use. We're using strawberries, watermelon, some blueberries, oranges, red grapes, cherries, and this season there's a lot of cherries around. We're also using lime and satsuma tangerines. So I'm going to wash all my fruits ready for my fruit salad. I am so excited. I always love it when I'm doing some fruit salad or cooking something or baking something. So these are the assortment of fruit I'm going to use. I'm going to cut my watermelon very small cube sizes, which will be manageable whenever we're eating our fruit salad. I love it. It is summer after all, and we've got all these colorful fruit just to enjoy. Watermelon is a very refreshing fruit, and it was originally domesticated in West Africa. Who would believe that? Now watermelon is all over the world. Watermelon contains very low calories, hence it's very good if you want to go on a weight loss journey or sustain your weight loss. I love watermelon. Kids love watermelon. Who doesn't love watermelon? Watermelon also contains some essential nutrients and vitamins. It contains antioxidants, which are all very good for the body. So I'm done cutting it, and next what I'm going to do is try and cut some grooves in the outer skin, so that I'm going to use this outer skin as a bowl for my fruit salad. I am not going to throw away these green bits that I am cutting out. I am going to definitely use it for a twist somewhere. I will always definitely recommend the green skin of watermelon for weight loss, especially when you blend it and you drink it. Oh my gosh, your weight loss is quickened very well. I can testify to that. I am now turning my attention to other fruits, and I'm going to start with the strawberries. I am halving them, and I can even slice them into round bits, isn't it? Now I am going to add the cherries, and you know with cherries they always have a stone in there. You can halve the cherries and put them in there, or put them whole in there, because whoever is eating these fruit salad definitely knows not to swallow the stones. I've also added in there the blueberries and the red grapes, and I'm slicing some more strawberries in there. If you want a bit of green color in there, you could also add some kiwi, but today I didn't really want to add kiwi in there. So what I'm going to do next is add my satsuma tangerine, and just to make it easy for me to peel, I just use the knife to just cut a bit, and then I am going to put all that in there. This fruit salad is full of vitamins, packed with a lot of raw veggies and also a lot of vitamin C. I am so excited. Next on the list is for me to cut my orange into 2 equal halves. Well, it doesn't have to be 2 equal halves anyway. So I'm just taking the seeds out, and I'm going to juice these oranges. But hang on, there's going to be a twist to everything I'm doing. Just watch. So now what I'm going to do is to try and peel this orange and then cut the orange itself into the salad, so that it will be very delicious. I always like to slice it up in the round shape or different shapes, so that I've got different shapes in my fruit salad. It looks delicious and colorful already. I'm going to make the juice ready to add it to my fruit salad. So I told you that I was going to add a twist, isn't it? The raw veggies which is left in the skins of the orange, I'm going to try and get it all out into my little blender, and I'm going to add in there the juice from the orange, and I'm going to try and juice a bit more in there so that I've got enough juice. Taking the actual fruit or the raw veggies part from the skins sometimes it's quite difficult and other times it's very easy. This time I found it very easy to dig this out so that I can do my blending. Look at that, it looks a bit perfect, isn't it? Not too perfect though. You remember I told you not to throw these pieces away? Well, this is the time to use it. I'm going to add that in there and I'm going to add some ginger in there as well before blending it all together. Big sister and Diamondlady. Now is the turn of my lime. I'm going to squeeze just about a bit of the juice into the mixture before I blend it all up. Blending doesn't have to be completely smooth. I'm going to add a bit more of orange juice to this. Just added the orange juice to the mixture and I'm going to mix it well. Next is I'm going to drizzle it all over my fruit, and this is looking colorful and delicious already. I can't wait to dig into this fruit salad. This looks good. I'm going to mix it all up so that the extra juice I added in there is well incorporated in there and no fruit is going to miss this lovely juice. Sizes are very handy when you don't really want to dish any out from the larger bowl. You could just have it like a cocktail and it's so lovely. I love it. I have just topped it up with a piece of lime and it looks delicious, doesn't it? Just feast your eyes. Go and make some of our fruit salad for yourself using our recipe. Don't forget to tell others about us and come and join us on Sister Eat Fit Lose. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.